So your question is, what is trending in residential stormwater in the year 2023? It's a great question. There are a lot of wet homes that were just purchased in the last 6 months and disgruntled new owners because sellers don't disclose these issues. So the question is, what's trending in residential stormwater in 2023? You know, one trend is there's a lot of wet homes that in the last 6 months, either the ownership changed or maybe even in the last 6 weeks. Very, very new homeowners that are all of a sudden experiencing water, and a lot of sellers that are sliding out and not disclosing the fact that the house was wet. So there's a lot of upset people out there, and it kind of comes all at once. This is Frank Heneghan with Connecticut Stormwater Authority, and thank you. Ask for Frank at Connecticut Stormwater Authority.